candidate in Utkarsh.
Hello everybody, we are students of Utkarsh Vidyalaya and we are here to discuss importance of body development for personality. How do they relate body development with body image in overall personality development? Teenager is an age where we are much more concerned about our personality, our image and how we look. So we connect our personality with our image. So our personality reflects our image, and so we are trying to improve our personality so we can get a good, better image. And in teenage age, we are striving very hard to make our personality better so we can get a good image and we can have much more communication with everyone, better communication with everyone.
The importance of body development is also great because, as Sheetal said, that everyone is concentrated on his personality, and it also reflects our character. The body language and the body development is a very essential part in the lives of a teenager.
In this teenager age, I hear many adults and my parents also telling me that this is the age where you have to build your body, where you have to be fit. So I think that in this age we should do as much as we can do for our bodies, and should discuss our problems with our parents or adults.
Body development is a very main thing in our life. We need to develop our body very much. Everything needs to see our body development, and if we need to solve any problem, we should know the problem first.
Body development is very necessary for everything. In teenage, most thing we need to develop is character, body, and style.
What can we do to improve our health and increase our personality and character, and also height?
What can we do to be strong and for fit body?
In this age, I think it is necessary to have smartness in our look, but is it necessary to have proper figure in this age or good looks in this age?
What can we do to build muscles?
Sir, especially in this age, अभी का जो टाइम है उसमें मेरे को पता नहीं चलता क्या करूँ क्या ना करूँ, तो गुस्सा आता रहता है जब पे, और वो जो क्या बोलते हैं, पता नहीं चलता कि what should I do and what is proper for me.
सर, आजकल ऐसा हो रहा है कि ड्रेस और अपीयरेंस से ही सब लोग मतलब बहुत अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, मतलब उनकी पर्सनालिटी अच्छी पड़ती है. तो क्या ज़रूरी है कि ऐसा ड्रेसिंग अप और मतलब ऐसा ब्यूटी हो तो ही हम आगे आ सकते हैं?
सर, अगर मैं पढ़ने में ध्यान दे रहा हूँ तो मेरा ध्यान पढ़ने में लगता ही नहीं, तो उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँ?
Sir, I want to know how to develop abs and bulging abs.
I eat a lot to do this, to maintain my body. Then even I do exercise every day. I do exercise every day.
This is a very great importance in body development, is of great importance in our life. So as I do 3 to 4 kilometers of cycling daily, eat a balanced diet, and also take the checkup every 6 months or every 1 year, twice a year, something like that.
I think we should maintain our body very properly, and in this generation, everybody is telling us to be fit. So many of us believe in dieting, but I don't, because I think with dieting we get weakness. So I do exercise a lot every day, sometimes aerobics also. My role model is J.K. Rowling. She wrote Harry Potter. I'm not concerned with Harry Potter. I really like her because she has a really huge amount of imagination, and she has really expressed it very well. And I know everybody must be thinking here there's nothing to do with body development, but I really think it's really very important matter to discuss with teenage, because many of us are we don't make efforts to whatever we think, we don't make efforts to make it true, and we don't express our views, but really we should learn how to express our views from her.
I don't have any role model.
According to me, my role model is my mother, as she tries very much to maintain her body. She exercises regularly, and if she misses one, she does something else, and she always cares about her body. And I'll always try to be like her. She's also able to solve problems at home. She helps me and my brother in solving our problems, and all our family members, she also helps them to solve our family matters.
If you want to ask.
I want to ask why my parents doesn't understand my feelings. Why there are so much restrictions kept on me and my brother and sisters. Why there are so much restrictions?
Okay, I'll come in the front. Like this. The restriction is not only on boys and girls, but because only the girls will get pregnant, you know. So this is the only thing in their mind. Because you are now capable of reproduction. The fear in your parents is that you may indulge into a physical relationship with any boy, and then what happens? Nothing happens to boys, but the girls will get pregnant. Okay, that's why the restrictions are more on girls. They do not want you to get pregnant, but they are not able to tell you this truth to you, that what happens. If you know that these are things happen, then when you are going out or you are in a party, you will know what you are not supposed to do. But that they are not coming out openly and telling you that why you should not go to the party at 10 o'clock or come back earlier, or don't go with anybody. It's the misunderstanding of the teenage and the parents. This can be sorted out between your parents. When I am going to take a lecture with parents, I wish that your parents come in my lecture and I can discuss and interact with them, that please you tell the real reason of restricting and constraining. Then you may also better understand that what your mother or father is telling is the right thing, and then you can promise that, okay, Mom, I have understood this thing very well. Now I go and I will see that what is pure in your mind will not happen with you. We have time, so we can continue.
Why do we get angry, irritated and depressed in teenage?
My idol person is Kiran Bedi, and she is a fantastic woman in the world, I think so. And I'm lucky that I met her. And another in my life, my idol person is my sister. She helps me in my every situation, in every my difficulties, and I also inspire from them, and that's it.
Last time you visited our school and you solved my question how to interact with our parents, but still I am not able to interact with my parents because I am a teenage. Now I am able to understand everything. Even my parents have old views, so our both views are not matching. My views are different, their views are different, so I am not able to interact with them. What should I do? Every day there is some of the...
I'm to ask that mostly at the adolescence age, the children get very angry at the small things, and they usually neglect the parents' interaction, means their parents' interference, and how should a person should tackle a child means emotionally and physically by the teacher or any person. So what should a person should how to tackle it?